how to show you to install the Rust Analyzer with NeoVim. That's the plan for today. And we have it actually working, but I don't know how to use it very well. I don't know exactly. It's kind of neat because you can see there's an error or warning here, but then if you miss something up, then there's an error here. You can see the error. Let me say, what is it? What's the error? And then right there in your editor, you can see exactly what's wrong. So from an app development perspective and a workflow, it is a lot nicer instead of having to just open up a new window and then running the compiler and then seeing a list of errors. You get to see the exact error right here, exactly where it's at. It's really cool. It's really neat. NeoVim added a Lua scripting language into it, which is easier from a plugin installation, easier to manage, because the Vim scripting language is not that great. It's a little bit challenging. It's a little bit challenging, you guys. So that's Vim, NeoVim. Wait, someone else will say, and then LSPs. So we've got Rust. We answered why Rust, why NeoVim, but what is LSPs? LSP NeoVim. What is this? What is this? Actually, I'm not familiar. Oh, language server protocol. Oh, okay. NeoVim provides a built-in support for a language server protocol, allowing it to act as a client to LSP servers and IDE-like features. This integration is facilitated by Lua framework within NeoVim. Vim.lsp for building and managing LSP tools, you guys. Isn't that cool? So we are doing a NeoVim and Rust Analyzer installation tutorial. So we walked through some of the basics. We LSP language server protocol. We've got NeoVim. We've got Rust Analyzer. And then you can now merge the two. And then you can easily see things happening. It works, you guys. It works. Isn't it cool? I love it. I love it. It's actually really satisfying. It's really powerful. So we're gonna play around with it a little bit. There's all these commands here, and also I probably want to set up these key bindings of sorts, right? Because there's a key override NIM's built-in hover map. So I probably want to do this. I want to add this in. I bet you will most likely want to add some key maps. Most key maps are only useful in Rust files, so I suggest you to find them in the right here. Okay. Interesting. All right. Same try. Let's see if we can install this. Let's see if we can. Let's see here. Blah blah blah. Vim after plugin rust.lua. Is that actually FTP plugin? FTP plugin? Really? FT plugin. Oh, FT plugin. All right. You need to link it. You need to link it to user local bin Lua. That's where NeoVim is going to be looking for the Lua JIT. So you have to run this right here. You might not have to run sudo depending on where your path is. And you can also update your path so that way you don't need to run sudo. But just in case, you guys, that's how you do it. Then you run this in Vim, and then you're going to be installing LuaRocks. LuaRocks is a nice package manager that's going to make installing a lot easier. It's going to make installing a lot easier, you guys. So we do that. Okay. So we'll run in Vim. Here we go. Press enter. Looks good. And then it says welcome, and then you just run over to the OK button, and then it automatically downloads LuaRocks, installs it, and then it brings you into, it says copy and paste this into your Lua config. Basically, you want to copy. Then we type in rocks install Rustation Vim. There we go. Rustation Vim. You do rocks install Rustation Vim. Let's do that. You run that. You can see here in the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see it right here. It says installation successful. We did it, you guys. We did it. Installation successful. Let's see here. And then what? And then you enable the Rust Analyzer to start, right? So close that, reopen it, and then enable Rust Analyzer, not an editor command. There we go. You just have to open a Rust file. Okay. So I updated it to only work on Rust files. What's this warning? So let's see here. Rust. So we do Rust. What do you see? Rust LSP. Is it Rust LSP? And then what commands we got? What commands? There's a whole bunch of commands here. We got a whole bunch of commands, you guys. Tab next. Wait, how do we navigate? It's not navigating for me. Oh well. Tab. Okay. So we got log file, create, workspace, debug, run. There's a run. LSP. Tab. Okay. Let's just type run. Let's see run. Boom, run. Okay. No runnable. Okay, yeah, blah blah blah. Okay. All right. So I do have to get going, guys. We're gonna play. We're just gonna play. We're gonna play around with this for a little while, and then we're gonna head out and we're gonna go to our meeting that we have exactly at 1 o'clock, which is like 3 minutes away, you guys. It's 3 minutes away. So one thing I want to do is I want to show where's that command? There's a command on here that like the warnings, and like I want it to explain render diagnostic. I don't think that's it. I think it's maybe right above it. Explain error. So it is explain error, but I do think it actually might be this one. I think it's this. So I want this command right here. Here we go. Boom. There, check it out. Warning, string variant, never constructed. So variant in this enum, string. Okay, so never constructed. So is it, you have to say like new? Like how do you fix this? Do cargo build. All right, cargo run. Wait, not carbo. Cargo. We only have a minute left, you guys. Then I gotta go run. Is it gonna work? Wait, what do you mean cargo run? There you go. Hello world. Okay, we did it. We did it. We had it. We did it. Okay, we showed it working. We showed the installation process. We showed it working. We showed a few of the common commands. Now what you want to do is add in some shortcuts on your keyboards for key bindings, and then you will have your Rust Analyzer working in your Rust Vim, in your NeoVim. There you go. You got it all working, guys.